Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of the lovely Rohan by Amore in the beautiful color Creamy Toffee R. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is Vero by Renee of Paris in Marble Brown R. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Anyway, this is about Rohan today. I haven't peeked. I had Rohan before, but not in this color. So if you like, almost like Vero, a medium length wavy style, Rohan might be for you. This color is warm leaning, I would say. I think it's just a beautiful blonde. So here you can see the waves of Rohan. Sits on tissue paper. So let's have a look at the cup construction. So it has an extended lace front. So you've got that really natural growing out of your scalp look right at the front here into the ear tab, so about here. So if you're somebody who likes to wear their wigs back like this, you get that natural look on the sides as well. You also have a mono top, so that means you can part it wherever you like in this section here, and it still looks like hairs growing out of your scalp. So you have parting options. So you can have your middle part, your side part, and quite a deep side part as well. Open wefts, sides and backs, and a velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them. There is quite a lot of stretch in this cap. So before I put it on, I just want to show you the part on my hand. Simply because I have dark hair now, I have regrowth. Let's see how long this will last. But because it's quite dark and dark eats the light, you will not see really what the part is like when I have it on my head. It might, it can look quite closed. It's something that doesn't bother me. I am not bothered about this. I'm quite tall, so I don't think people really can see the part. So this is what the part looks like. That's so natural. Because it's a rooted color, you can see a little bit of knotting. But I don't think it's bad at all. But look how natural this looks. If you don't like the knotting, again, just some makeup or foundation or concealer will do the trick there. Really natural. Let's try it on. So I have a wig grip on, but this is mainly to keep these really short hairs at bay so they don't obscure the lace front, because you can then see my natural hair through the lace front and it doesn't look natural. So I normally don't bother with big grips and things like that. That's just me. Ooh. Rohan is such a beautiful style. Similar length to Vero. So I think if you want sister styles, so Vero, what I just worn, and Rohan might be your answer, because that just looks like I have a slightly different wave pattern put in. Obviously I changed hair color, but that's just really, oh, I like it. So let me show you all around. Let me show you the lace front. Now you have the lighter pieces here at the front, so you have like almost like money pieces. So if you, at the beginning it was a bit of a flopper, but if you just do this for a bit, it starts to stand up and move away from the face. It's not permanent, obviously. You can also just massage the knots slightly. And then it moves back and up. Which I personally, on me, I think looks more natural, but that's just a personal opinion. I know plenty of people who like it flopping down and out. So completely up to you. But isn't this pretty? This is so pretty. So in terms of fit, on my 21.5-inch circumference, well, maybe I think it's more like a 21.7-ish now because of hair growth and a wig grip on. It fits straight out of the box really well. There is quite a lot of gapping here in the back. There is room to move it in quite a bit and a little bit of room to move it out. So I do think if you're a 22-inch, you should be fine. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, you will be fine too, but there will be more gapping. But please check that with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. Really lovely feel of the fibers. Let's look at this color. Really beautifully done.
So Creamy Toffee R is described as a rooted dark blonde that's evenly blended with light platinum blonde and light honey blonde. I think it leans warm, a very beautiful color in my opinion.
So even I'm not a big fan of these kind of lighter pieces all around the face on me. This is quite done quite naturally, and this is here what I mean about my short hair peeking through. You can see this doesn't look natural. So I just need to pop that back in a little bit more. But this, I like this piece. And this is so pretty. Permatease wise, nothing big and poofy at all. Just a little bit of tease around the wefts. But that's it. This is just a great everyday piece, as is Vero. That's why I think they're really great sister styles. Yeah, easy to wear, easy to put on. And these are heat-friendly fibers, so if you get bored of this pattern, you can change it, but check the manufacturer's guidelines, see what the heat temperature should be like, because you don't want to fry them. But this is just gorgeous. Tell me what you think of Rohan by Amore. This is available from Aderans Trendco. This is on loan, so I can show it to you. And when you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off, and they deliver worldwide. Great option there for you. So I put all the information down below in the description box. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.